Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for health, wellness, and making smarter choices every day. Let's talk about something that's in almost every kitchen. That is salt. We all love it. It adds flavor, makes food taste better, and let's be honest, some dishes just don't feel complete without it. But here's the catch. Too much salt in your cooking could be silently raising your blood pressure and putting your health at risk. Let's break it down. Salt contains sodium, which plays an important role in balancing fluids and helping our muscles work. But when we consume too much, our bodies hold on to excess water, increasing blood volume, and that raises blood pressure. That's a major risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and kidney problems. The tricky part is that salt is everywhere, not just in the salt shaker. It's loaded into processed foods, canned goods, sauces, and even bread. So, how much is too much? Experts recommend that no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. That's about 1 teaspoon of salt. But most people are eating way more without even realizing it. So, what can you do? Here are 3 easy ways to cut back on salt without sacrificing flavor. First, use fresh ingredients. Cooking from scratch helps you control how much salt goes into your meals. Fresh herbs, garlic, lemon juice, they all add amazing flavor without the extra sodium. Second, read labels carefully. Check those nutrition labels. Even healthy foods can be packed with hidden sodium. Look for low sodium or no added salt options whenever possible. Third, taste before you shake. A lot of times we add salt out of habit, not because the food actually needs it. Taste your food first and try other seasonings like black pepper, cumin, or paprika instead. Cutting back on salt doesn't mean bland food, it just means being mindful. Your heart, kidneys, and overall health will thank you for it. So, what's your favorite salt-free seasoning? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more easy health tips from Health Options 101. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.